Come on, nigga, hurry up.
Right?
Yeah.
Go. Can't do no more.
Record me. It's already recording. Just hold it. What's up? Hurry up, bitch. See my McDonald's cap?
The best.
Tight ass shirt, man. Weak ass nigga.
Plant your feet, son. Oh, shit.
Plant your feet. Your turn, Ty. Feet plant. Yeah, Ty. Yeah, Ty. All of us skipping class. Skipping class. Kids, don't try that.
Don't skip class.
Never.
Don't come to school after 11:30.
Skipping school in the weight room now. Man, that's some illegal shit.
It's not even supposed to be open.
And we left it open yesterday. And we always snitching on ourselves. Right?
They gonna look at this shit like,
The fuck? You see how pretty ass weight room? Damn, this. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
make sure he put his name.
Where my name at? There you go. Oh, you see that? Pac-Man? Uh-huh. Get it right. Big Ty. Mark. A.K.A. Joker. What the hell? I ain't never seen this shit. We got Nike signing. I mean, Adidas. I mean, Reebok. Team Sports. We're team.
Let me see if I can do a pull-up.
Hold up. Let me get the DC tattoo. You see that? DC.
Saying if the fat man can do one pull-up.
He finally wore a tight shirt.
Can you see? Stamp your big ass can't do one.
Shit, bet I can do one.
Bet you can.
That's all I'm doing is one.
Fat ass.
You do one.
Here. Pac-Man. What's his name, son? What are you gonna call him? I'm gonna call him Steroids. Cause he steroids. Travis named Cornbread. His name. To call that nigga Toby. Come on, son. Let's see you do it, son.
Try and do one.
So I just noticed why they poked that thing out, cause niggas' heads. That ain't one.
That's one for you.
A half one.
That was one. I said got up there. That's one.
Shh. We can't hardly see you, Ed. Sorry. Yeah. That's how we get down to Anna weight room, Anna B, Anna niggas. Fuck the security guards though. Anna cost there all day. Fuck Baloo. Fuck Dumbo. I hope y'all looking at this. We gonna dog y'all ass this shit. Thank you. Yeah, this shit we got a squad. Watch out. Remember I said that shit? Number 1 or number 8?
Number 9.
Middle
or number
linebacker.
5? Number 9 or number 5? Inside linebacker. Nigga, I'm playing inside. Nigga.
I'm playing inside.
Well,
Who started last year?
you nigga, cause you
Exactly.
played here last year. I ain't played
Exactly.
Oxford Hill last year.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
okay.
oh.
Well, outside linebacker.
D tackle, get him.
And
Get out D tackle.
Get out D tackle.
Get out D tackle.
Oh, what we playing on
Real
offense?
dog, yeah.
Where we at offense?
Oh, running back, boat.
Running back, 2 running backs.
2 running
The
backs.
sweetest
Dog.
package ever.
Dog.
What we got? We got the fullback. We got fullback.
We gonna dog y'all shit.
Hold on, varsity now.
Varsity.
Don't forget.
Don't
Varsity.
forget.
Don't forget. You gonna see us.
You gonna see us.
JV, we already shitting on it.
My motherfucking neck.